Keeper, thank you for the 10 months. Welcome back. Thank you. Scar respect. Dreaming about this day. Dreaming about what, huh? What is it? Hello. Crypto, hello. How you guys doing? We got about a good 30 minutes or so until we're playing some games, so we're just gonna hang out and chat a little bit. Dreaming about stream? Okay, well, glad I could help with that today. I was catching up on some things on the weekend, but I'm here now. I totally have just lost all sense of time. I have been off on my days. I think so. I thought that yesterday was Monday for whatever reason, but actually it's today that's Monday. And then I have been back and forth on days. Like, it's either I think the day is the day after or the day before. Remember that time I streamed and I said happy Tuesday or happy Monday or something, but it was like a day before or after. Like, it was completely off. So now I'm not sure anymore. And I have also, despite this going on, I have not been checking some of my days still. Time is a social construct anyway. True. Big true. My brain has just been all over the place so much that's not even funny. Like, I lose focus on everything. I can't function. Like, it's just... Wait, for me, today's Tuesday? Oh, well, you know, on my normal day, it's like I'm forgetting a lot of things. Or I'm mixing up a lot of things. And I've been forgetting things very easily, too. Like, things are just not on my mind. It's bad. You're pretty. Pretty cool. Today's your Friday. Ooh, I do remember when I used to work as a behavior therapist. I liked that the weekends were different. So you could choose to have like what type of rotation you want at times. And so I think my rotation might have been like... I think it was... You get to pick if you want weekdays as your weekend or if you want weekends as your weekend. And I think the ones... I want to say I had Monday and Tuesday off, and then I had the rest of like the 4 days, 3 or 4 days for work. Yeah. My brain did go on hold. It's bad. Or it's been. Where's the cat? So Somi's been doing this lately and today. She's been a lot more clingy and attached. But she's actually right here next to me. Like, you can't see her, but she... So then, like... Oh, if you can see her ear's like right here. Somi! Yeah, so... She's been chilling right next to me, and it kind of makes me have to be a little more like aware of when I roll my chair and stuff, because I don't want to freaking roll on her. So... And then if you roll, like, touching... Like, even if you touch her the slightest, she's kind of like... Like, you're not even hitting her yet, but she's kind of dramatic about it at first, but of course you're like scared. You're like, whoa, it's like reacting like if someone's about to hit you. So she just goes like, type of thing, and I'm like, yo, then don't sit right next to the chair. But she just wants to be really close. Yeah. So that's just it's been going on. No, I'm not. I've been to the Blackpink concert in LA, and I saw them at Coachella, so I don't feel like a huge desire to see them again. If someone had tickets, maybe, but I'm probably not gonna make the trip there because I also just saw Taylor Swift, and the effort it takes to go to a concert sometimes is crazy. Like, I love going to concerts. I've been to a good amount and just love music in general, but it's really a trek to get there. Like, you have to find... You either Uber or you find parking, and sometimes it's just really annoying or expensive. Like, either... So it can be easy to get dropped off, but then leaving is a nightmare, whether it's for Uber or whether it's driving. So then, yeah, no, it's just a lot. Leaving is the worst. So any type of concert you go to, I would almost always recommend like not staying to the end. You could literally still see like a bit of the last song, but just leave during it. It's not worth it. Everyone funnels into the same place and you just leave. Like you end up staying an extra hour trying to get out. Yeah, so just the thought of doing that. Oh, trying Singapore Aeros tickets but couldn't get them. Are they? I bet they're really expensive over there too, huh? Even if it's like normal price. Gotta get Secret Lab to make a Somi chair. There is like a kids or pet chair that I think Secret Labs have. Millennium sold out SoFi Stadium? Really? That's crazy. SoFi Stadium is huge. How did he sell out SoFi? I mean, not that I totally doubt it, but that's like a big deal. Millennium Tour. I didn't know he had like a show in LA. I thought I looked a long time ago and during pre-sale too. Wow. That is honestly kind of wild. What the heck? When is it? China. Oh, February 2nd, SoFi Stadium. So he's having a second day? Trilogy? Is that different? Oh, or... That's crazy. Oh. Ooh. I went to a festival with 100 or 100,000 or 110,000 people trying to get out. 3 hours was hell, yeah. Any parking lot, I just think you gotta just park really far away. And just park there so that you're not stuck in traffic of all the people trying to leave. It'll be way more worth it. It'll probably be like an extra 10-15 minute walk, but it's so much more worth it than parking closer and having to wait like an hour to get out. No, I didn't go to Lala. I went to Head in the Clouds instead. Hi, Toasty. Okay. Most concerts are streamed on Hulu now for whatever reason, are they? I see a lot of concerts on like Disney Plus or like Netflix. Netflix has a lot. Netflix has, I think, Beyonce, Justin Timberlake, Ariana Grande, Taylor Swift, and more. The plan for today is gonna play some games with balls. I think we're gonna play some solo queue or other things. I'm not sure exactly, but just games in general. This year was very fun, but the crowds were actually crazy. People were so bad. Like, people were mean or rude. I still can't believe the Taylor Swift crowd. That was crazy how nice they were. Everyone was insanely friendly and nice. Got to see Hilary Duff at the latest show. Drink with Jimmy at Head in the Clouds. I saw him there. We said we were hanging out for a little bit. Oh. Okay, I have to make sure my okay. If you guys hear my phone ring, can you tell me? Eh. All right. Is it ringing? No, it's okay. If you just hear it, I put it on speaker because I might not be able to sense the vibration because of my earbuds and stuff. But if you guys hear it, I'm charging it here. Sweet Zaz, thank you so much for the 1 year. Welcome back. Happy 1 year. Let's go. Okay. No, just these earbuds. Yeah. Thank you, dork. Thank you. Let me try to think about what to do today. Well, like, we're playing games, but prior to that. I used to use gaming headsets all the time, and it was totally chill. I liked it a lot. But after a while, I like the freedom of earbuds and stuff whenever people would come into my room and I just pull one out. Even though you could do that with the headset, but it just felt easier for whatever reason. I got used to it, but these are just Amazon earbuds, like $20, I think. No, nothing in particular. I remember sharing earbuds with a friend. Oh my god. No, we can't afford, or I can't afford a house in LA. I was just thinking the other day how expensive it is to own a house in LA. I don't think I will ever be able to afford that. Yeah. Like, so expensive. I was looking at, okay, I think the minimum is like $1 million house if it's around LA, and it's like, yeah, it's minimum 7 digits, and it's not even like a nice house. Like $1 million house does not get you a fairly sized house, versus $1 million US somewhere else could get you something way better. So I don't know, it's really hard. I just think like I would just rent or live in apartments the whole time, but at the same time, is it worth it to? Like, your money just goes to rent. I guess it doesn't go towards anything, but it's just like, how could you afford it? Yeah. Hi, Milana. Thank you so much for the 2 months. Welcome back. Thank you. It is very rough. And repairs and everything. Some just say fork it and get a condo. True. True. How many years of rent equals to 1 million years $1 million house, though? That's what I'm thinking. I think you would buy it if you want to maybe leave something for your kids, or if you just want to have more assets, because technically if you rent, yeah, you could leave when, I feel like, so renting, you would never really be able to get like a really nice house, I guess, or never have like a settled for sure home in a way. If you buy it, is a commitment. Yeah. Unless you're able to sell it, but yeah. I don't know. But yeah, Malone, thank you so much for the 2 months. Can I just have a house for free? Yeah. It just seems like such a good idea to live with other people. If you're able to. If you could kind of like... Yeah, it just really depends. In this housing market, it's easy to sell. Oh, is it? I don't know. I don't really keep up with the market or anything like that. I actually am not very savvy or knowledgeable on that. Let's see, $1 million house. Say you rent like $3K a month, $3,000 a month somewhere, times I don't know how many years. Okay, well, this is how much in a year? 36,000 in a year, times maybe like, wait, is that 36,000? 3K a month? Yeah, it is. Okay, 36,000 a year that you're spending on rent. And then say you live somewhere for like 10 years, you spend 360,000 on rent. Ooh, that is a lot of money. $360,000 on rent. 3K per month. That is how much it costs to have like a decent, nice apartment in LA. It's literally like, unless you are okay with the smaller space, then maybe you could get it for like 2.2k or like 2k, and if it depends on if you have roommates. But I would say the average for like a nice or decent or like a decent place is 3,000, and that's like the middle. That's like mid tier. Like I feel like top tier you could always go very high, obviously, and then low is like you could probably rent a place in someone's house, like maybe a back house for like 1,000 something, or maybe like 2,000 depending on how big it is. The problem with buying is you need a down payment. Yeah, you probably need... I don't know. Let me look this up. Down payment for a house in Los Angeles. The average down payment on a new home in California was $103,000 in the spring of 2022. However, you may be able to become a homeowner in Los Angeles for a much smaller upfront investment. You can get a mansion in Calgary. That's what I'm thinking. It's usually 5 to 15%. That's insane. So if I wanted, say, a $2 million house, okay? $2 million house, and it's usually 15% maybe for like down payment. $2 million house times 0.15. I need 300,000 for a $2 million house in LA, which does not even get you much. $300,000 cash. Jesus Christ. That's not including all the fees of purchasing a house. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I am making steak. How'd you know? I was literally gonna play game stream, and I told the house I was gonna be making steak for everyone at like yeah. Oh wow. That's crazy. Ray leaked. Oh, she said you're since you're cooking steak tonight. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, I was just randomly gonna make steak because I just wanted us to like, I don't know, I just think we just talked about how we haven't had dinner in a while, like together or whatever, and I was like, oh, like, well, I don't even know if everyone's gonna be there, but I'm just gonna make it, whoever wants to come and whatever will be there. I have this like really good steak recipe I got from someone, so I'm just gonna try to make it. Thanks, human. I'm not putting mustard on the steak. Honestly though, honey mustard sounds fire. Yep. No, I wasn't gonna do a cooking stream. I'll do it next time, maybe. I'll do it next time. Today I was just gonna like play some games, get off, and then chill. Just wanted a little more like chill quality time or something. But I'm down to show you guys next time if this turns out good and I feel more confident in it, because I've cooked it a couple times and the flavor is good, but I wish I could get the color better. So I'm trying to get like a nice color on it. Yeah. I'll cook it next time, for sure. At least make lamb chops. Yeah, it's true. I do feel like other meats maybe better. Like when I have steak, I don't want a mustard at times. I want like a runnier sauce or like sometimes a little bit of the peppercorn sauce or chimichurri. Akuma the Diablo, thank you so much for the 20 subbies. Thank you. If you guys got subs, please thank them. Smoked ketchup is a nice sauce. Really? How does one make smoked ketchup? You put ketchup on the grill. Ooh, I know, because I used to barbecue with my dad in the summer. If you have a barbecue grill thing, you could smoke it by putting it on the rack, and then you close the lid, and it gives it its smoky flavor for whatever you want. Yeah. Side of fries. I got, for the sides, I think I just got like, I have like mushrooms and spinach, but I might just do mushrooms. I feel like everyone likes mushrooms. but I'm not sure. If not, they could just eat the steak, the steaky. Slander. When's that again? I have no idea. Yeah, maybe asparagus. I haven't tried making asparagus, but I don't think it'd be that hard, right? Onions are... Oh. I thought Ray doesn't like onions. Are you just saying that because she does or doesn't like onions? I'm pretty sure she doesn't. Like, I think Myung's the only one, along with maybe Sakuna, who might like onions. And I don't know what Tina likes or not. 25th or 26th, Friday, Saturday. Oh, I might not be able to. I might be gone for a sponsor. Which I do need to find stuff out for. Akuma, thanks for gifting another subby. Thank you. You absolute legend. Oh. If you put too much in them, there won't be much room. You sound like me. I think we would make very good dads. She ate some last streamer camp, really? Is asparagus is the one that makes you pea green, right? Nice. Nice. Maybe that's the move. Maybe the move is just to make asparagus and make everyone piss green. Asparagus is good for UTIs. I thought cranberry. Maybe it's also asparagus, but I thought cranberry juice is good for UTIs. What was I gonna do then? Oh yeah. In all of my asparagus eating experience, I've never peed green. I'll be honest, I don't remember peeing. I've definitely peed green before, but I don't remember if it's from asparagus. And I'm pretty sure also every time I eat asparagus, I do not pee green every time. And if anything, I don't even remember peeing green in a long time. Like, it feels like it's been a while, but did I just not notice? Or did I just not think it was maybe that green? Because maybe it was a light, really light green. And it just looked yellow enough that I didn't think of it like that. I don't know. Green pea is sometimes a sign of gallbladder problems. Oof. Well, guess we'll never know. If you eat asparagus every day, you'd have a really hard time telling if it's that or problems. How do you eat your steak? Medium rare? I like it medium rare to medium rare, but I usually... Okay, if it's cooked perfectly every single time, then probably medium rare. But I always feel scared to order medium rare at restaurants because I'd rather be more rare than medium, and sometimes they overcook it, so I just don't like getting a more medium steak. I like it more raw than cooked, so just not too raw. Well, I'm only here for now. I'm waiting for your Windows update to be done. Okay. God, those are always a coin flip. I feel like Windows updates, I never know if they're gonna take super long or if they actually just like are quick like this, because I've had window updates that I thought would be fairly quick and they end up taking a grillion years, and it scares me. So that's why it scares me every time I see a Windows update. I'm just like, God, I don't know if I could do this right now, like, but I'll try. Can someone pee purple? I mean, I don't know. I want steak now, thanks. Has anyone who has seen most of my vlogs know if I've ever had the steak in my vlogs? I feel like I have. I've cooked it before and vlogged it, but I just don't know. Pretty sure. I feel like I remember it. Yeah, okay. It's pretty much that same recipe, except for I'm trying to perfect it. I'm trying to do better because I don't think that one is the best, or is my best. I've just seen other people make steak on TikTok and other things. I'm like, damn, you guys make it look so damn good. I want that bright pink color too. Because the taste is good, but presentation wise, I want to make it look more seared and pink as soon as you cut it open, and oh, it's so like satisfying and stuff. I guess I'll have steak for breakfast today. Ah, yes. The influencer influencing everyone to eat a steaky. Um, have you ever tried sous vide steak? Yeah, I have. Yeah, pretty straightforward to make. Ooh, Wagyu. Yeah, we had like a Wagyu steak. I think we had one when we were in Cut in Vegas. And okay, normal that it was like a really expensive steak. So like I think me and Young tried it. It was like a 300, no, not 300, maybe $100 steak. Okay, I can't remember exactly. Sorry, but it's like it was a Wagyu steak, and it's like a whole steak of Wagyu. Okay, and we thought it'd be really good. I think maybe we split it or some other things. I can't remember, but it ended up being very fatty, and I think too much as like a steak. I think having regular prime rib or like a New York strip or whatever is what we're used to, and it's great. And I think when you eat Wagyu, you have to have it in like slices and just like a little bit of it. Because it is, yeah, it's really fatty, and eating the whole thing is just way too much. It just you literally can't take it in. Yeah, and even drinking water or other things, like it's just not, it just doesn't help it. I feel like it's just the best if you have it in Japan or somewhere else, and it's just like on like a little grill, and you eat like one piece of meat or something. Yeah. Yes, it is some legal Legos today. Um, mm-hmm. New champ. Nope. No. May need a recap for that YouTube video. Which YouTube video? Yvonne, my key win rate has gone from 62% to 45% this split. I'm dead inside. Is Kate supposed to be better or worse? What is a Nafiri? Is that the dog? Is that the new dog champion? I don't know if we ban the new champ every time, because it's like, yeah, I don't know. What's it gonna do? I just can't wait to make the steak now. I'm kind of excited to try perfect it. I'm kind of, it's a little hypey. Okay, if it's really good, I will try to stream it next time. But I'm gonna try to get sear. Ooh. I'm debating if I should... Maybe not this time, but I could try to use my cast iron. Cast iron gives it a good sear all around. I'm playing some games with balls. I would be down otherwise, though. What's Ray playing? Cast iron sticks is great. Yeah, I do throw it in the oven. The way I make this one is, I throw it in the oven first, and then I sear it. But I know a lot of people do the reverse. They sear it first, and then they put it in the oven. Yeah. But we'll see. Because I know for cast iron, usually you have to do this thing called seasoning it. Let's see. Cast iron seasoning. First time, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of weird. You have to season a cast iron. Just wiping it with some oil. And then you, what, turn on the heat?
She doesn't have any. I know she doesn't. You can also use this to protect yourself from daggers, right? Like that. And any baked.
So what, you wash it in soap first?
Don't do that. Don't ever put soap on your cast iron pan. But the pan has the salt in it now. It also has some debris left over from the scrubbing. You put it away damp, it's gonna rust. If your pan is rusted over, you can use a chainmail scrubber like this.
Oh no, you can't even put it away damp. You could rust the cast iron pan. Damn, it's really high maintenance, huh?
Polymerization is when an oil is heated at a high temperature. It's a paste, it's a little easier to work. I'm gonna put a fair amount of it up. That process is called polymerization. Polymerization is when an oil pan, I like to use every corner. I'm gonna put a fair amount so I can still see the Crisco. And I'm gonna do the whole pan. Turn it over. I'm gonna get the back side too, because even though we're not cooking on the back side of the pan or the underside of the pan, I still want it to be protected from rust. When I put this in the oven, I'm gonna turn it upside down.
Oh my god, there's so much.
Is not gonna ruin that. I'm not gonna scrub it with anything more than a paper towel at this point.
I'm scared to ruin it. He says not gonna ruin it, but I'm scared. You just wipe with water and dry it pretty much. Just buy new cast irons after you use one like that. I don't think we're rich like that, guys.
Just to get on the
Imagine you actually just buy a new cast iron every time you use it once. That's crazy.
Keep your pan in great condition for your next cooking adventure. Don't come in my house. I'll do a backhand post. Next below is that you're having overflow outside it, so there's no water. Let's move on to how we store and maintain these pans. Put it on the ground together.
Whoa.
And seals it up. That process is called polymerization. Polymerization is when an oil is heated at a high temperature and it forms a slick, solid surface in our pan. Basically, it means you're putting a non-stick. Most people season their pans with vegetable oil or canola oil.
Yeah, you would have to do that every time, but I think yeah, I am making steaky. I am. And I'm excited. The kiddo uses that when he plays Yu-Gi-Oh! Use what? Huh? Yeah. Aww. Yeah, there is a leak. Been fun. Is LCS dead or are more people still going? It's sad. I feel like the league scene is just really... I don't know if there's a way to make it the same as before. Steak? I have ribeye. Ribeye sticky. Iridescent. Hello! Happy Mondays! Here. Here. Ribeye. Valorant is the hot game now. I think so too. I think Valorant is a lot easier to learn too because it's very basic. It's kind of like it's just so straightforward. When you see Valorant, you know you're supposed to shoot the person or whatever. You don't have to know what every champ does. Like as you play the game, yes, but you don't really have to know it initially to become like a new player. But for League, it's so intimidating and so daunting because you have to know exactly what a lot of the champs do in order to play against them or all that kind of stuff. It's not very beginner friendly at all in comparison. And there's so many more little intricate things you need to learn. I don't know. It's just a lot different. IMO. Oh, one sec. Maybe my car is fixed. I'm so sorry. I'm back. But my car is fixed. Okay. Woo! My car, what was wrong with it? My hood would not lift up. Like there's something with my car and it just like for the hood, just for the life of it, just would not. And I kept pressing the button, lift, would not work. So then, a good thing it's covered by warranty still, so. The phone rang and I saw it, so you guys didn't hear it yet because I didn't get to the ringing part. I actually just caught it right beforehand. Alright. I'm gonna pee real quick and then I'll actually be back. I'm sorry. I keep baiting you guys. I'm back. Keon, thank you so much for the 43 months. Welcome back. Thank you. Woo, Oki. Thank you for the 43 months. Okay. Playing with your feelings. I'm sorry. Okay, but I'm actually here for good. Let's see. Can log on. Oh, I'm logged on to League. Okay, cool. It's been a hot minute, I feel, since playing League. Or some games in general, maybe other than TFT, which I'm still addicted to. And I played some games off stream yesterday, and I got 8th my first game, but then I got 2nd, which is really sad. Yeah. So I kind of salvaged it a little bit. But how is it so hard this set? I actually think you need to win streak early as much as possible, because later on it gets so hard. Or like you have to win early. Why does it feel that way? TFT is better than League? Sometimes, yeah, it definitely feels like that. I just feel way more chill with TFT and League. I'm kind of like more on edge because I'm trying to let... This set is econ. Is it? Transitioning from lost streak is hard to learn. Be the first to level 9 wins. And how do you do that? Just by having to be on the win streak more often? Or what? Because how do you balance leveling with econing? Legends of Runeterra game? League of Legends Forgotten Child. I don't know if I will. Or, well, sorry. I am going to find Hi, Mimi. Do you see the new game from Riot called Project L? Is that the fighting game and stuff? Banana milk. I love banana milk. That shit's so good. She's doom scrolling, boys. Oops. When streaking has no downfalls because trying to keep it means wasting econ until you get god roll. True. True. I guess I just am not good enough to try to balance it, yeah. Oh, it is. Okay. Alright. I love this song. Greatest Showman was such a good movie. I'm not, so I used to not be, I mean, I don't think I am still entirely, but like a whole musical person. Like, I don't like a lot of musicals in general, but the ones I've liked have been the popular ones, like Pitch Perfect or, which one's the animated ones? Sing something with the pig and the koala bear. La La Land, Hamilton, Sing and Sing 2. Yes, okay, it's just called Sing. So those ones I've liked. I don't think I've watched Mary Poppins or Wicked I've liked. But yeah, Greatest Showman was one of the first few musicals that I saw in the early days of watching or being exposed to musicals more, and I really, really liked it. It's such a good movie. Oh, High School Musical. Yeah, I thought High School Musical was good, but it wasn't like my favorite. I wasn't super invested or into it, but I did like the songs and the general storyline. I just didn't feel as passionate about it, but it's a classic. Yeah, over time, just started to like them more. And I want to see more like Lion King and all that. John Wick. I've seen the first John Wick. I think that's about it. Yeah, Vanessa Hudgens, Zac Efron, you know? But I remember trying to rewatch Greatest Showman so I could fall asleep to it. Because I've seen it before. Sometimes I like rewatching old movies so that I could just fall asleep and just like watch a comfortable thing to bed. And I ended up watching the whole thing again because it was so good. I was like, oh my god, I got so invested again. If you guys have never seen Greatest Showman, great movie. Please watch it. Are the old Disney movies considered musicals? I think no, not like Cinderella or all those. They all have songs, but I would not consider them musicals. I don't think they were meant to be musicals back then. Maybe it qualifies as it now with them having songs and stuff, but ooh. Who am I banning? Sante? The Kaisa. Kaisa's just too fun to play. I love it. Oh yeah, the wallpaper's from Your Name. My actual desktop wallpaper is also from Your Name. I love the aesthetic of it. And on Wallpaper Engine, I don't know if you guys know Wallpaper Engine, it's on Steam, but basically it has like a lot of animated wallpapers that are really nice that you could choose from, and you could put that on your desktop, and yeah, it's just makes it look very cute. Yeah, wallpaper engine has a lot of like anime ones, and I mean other generic ones too, but it's for the weebs in case you guys like it. There's like nice yeah, it's in general like a whole wallpaper archive. And that roll, the countervade Venado Era. Oh, Kaisa's banned. Yeah, we could play Kate's Earth. Let's just do it. Thinking about if I wanted to play. Yellow. Oh, what the heck? How come I can't hear you? One sec. Okay, now I should hear you.
Hello?
Hello.
Yo.
Yo.
My mic fine?
Oh yeah, it sounds good. Did you get a new mic?
No, I just changed some settings.
Oh, it sounds a little more clear.
Really?
Bot Ziggs? I don't know. Is it? Oh, it's vein top. Oh my god, wait, it's vein top?
Might be Zix 80.
Shit. I should have got MR runes or something. Oh, whatever. Oh no, it's Sash. Okay.
I feel like my settings on my mic, like my mic should be good because I have the Shure SM7B.
Oh, yeah.
And I have the Go XLR, but I probably had like where I put it and the settings were probably not good.
Oh.
I just have to keep messing around with it.
I see. Yeah, it sounds good now.
Okay.
The name, yeah.
Welcome to Summer's Rift. 30 seconds until minions spawn.
What's Ash bot? Talon mid.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Talon jungle.
I mean Ziggs mid. I meant
Yeah.
Ziggs mid. Talon.
Minions have spawned.
Yoo-hoo! Juke. Shit, lost the XP there. God, not the level 2. Okay. Oh my god, I can't farm. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, he doesn't have ignite, he has exhaust. The heck? I just noticed. Oh my god, thank god I actually got that. Let's go. Uh-oh, he might go mid. Come on. Oh my god, he actually got him. Oh fuck. I can't believe the splits got exhaust. My mignon.
First blood.
Juicy.
Got talents up 12 CS.
Oh. Hi, Fats. Where am I? Stop hiding. Where? Oh, shit.
An ally has
I
been
missed so much farm. I'm sad.
Oh,
Whoa. What the heck? Maybe I didn't have to flash here, but... Oh, fuck. Oh, maybe I griefed it there. Maybe I could have just kept running. I don't know. Still not bad. What am I getting? Yeah. Got ours, what? Fiora? Oh, Fiora's really annoying. Keep in contact, no, but I always, like... I want to say sometimes Jared has said hi here and there. Does Jared still stream? Hmm.
an ally has been slain.
what? That killed me.
Oh god. Oh my god. What the fuck, Ziggs? No. Not the Ziggs ulti.
It's not gonna be a fun game.
Oh, well. Well, it's okay. I think. Oh my god, I lost a fat wave.
Let's get. I don't get how their talent kills.
Think so?
Gets a kill and he's full HP. So
Damn. Stuff is going on.
my jungler is just 0-0.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, it's not it. My farm is dog diggity doo doo. Fine. What do here? Kinda shy. Ooh. Oh. Alright, we can hold it here. I don't know where Talon is, so don't really want to push up. Clear the wave a little bit. Let's thin it out a little bit. And keep holding it here, I guess. Okay, catching up in farm now. How are the games? This is our first game. First game of the day. This is so peaceful. I like this part. I also like... I like fighting, but there's something also really nice and soothing about just farming. Oh, let's go. Flash. He flashed the Aerith ulti. A good stun. The double trap.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Oh. This guy here.
Yeah, there's an eclipse on him.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a static shield on him.
Oh my god, that heal still didn't help. Damn. Oh my god, not this guy holding the wave. Okay. I hate him. Mm. Blitz is missing. Thanks, Bandit. Oi, thanks, Treb. Thanks for stopping by. Got your Starbucks? Which would you get? What's on the menu today? I got, I've been getting matcha lattes and pink drinks. I mean, I've been for a while, but just I don't feel like getting anything else lately. If I had to be honest. I haven't gone to Starbucks in a while. I like other drinks at times too. And the Talon's top. Nice. Oh, it's coming back around.
Turret plating will fall soon.
He killed that pink so fast. What the fuck is this? Oh shit. Ah! Stop! Oh my god, what the fuck? Ziggs is here. How is Ziggs here again? Please. Ooh. Nice. Yeah. I thought this was my friend for a second. My friend's name is Barrick, but his name is Bake. He's missing one R. Ooh. She was typing. Got her when she was typing. We take those. Ranked in a hot minute. No! Well, if you're gonna do that earlier, man. Holy shit, I still got it. Oh, it's might try to pull here. What is happening? Oh, damn. Oh no. What? Yeah, we just got there.
Your turret has
What?
been destroyed.
Dang. What is he talking about, dude? Are we not running there the whole time? I don't know, man. That's... Sure, man. That's wild. I literally died because your mid came bot. And you didn't ping it either. You see me fucking saying shit. What? 1 HP on the cannon? Are you fucking kidding me? Bro. So bad. Blitz is coming. Get that out of here. I like how Zen balls is like I'm playing Val with him right now. Doesn't he? He's pretty vocal when he plays Val because he's gotta be, right? But I feel like he's just always Zen. I actually caught up in farm.
Oh, okay, Talon behind you. Talon.
Oh, nice. Just what I like to see. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Why?
How? Help! Oh, God bless.
Destroyed a turret.
Woohoo! Let's go. Why epic poggers, I will say. The karma was not real. That's not what it is. Oh god. If karma was real, he would have missed the cannon, not me. Halls is so good. What did he do? Got TP. Guess I should just go mid.
So Zereth is jacked.
Yeah, Zareth got hella kills.
I see our comp's not that bad versus theirs set too.
Yep.
You went Eclipse Talon, is that good? I feel like Dustblade's more OP.
I also feel like that would be more OP. All the invis sounds juiced. I should go mid though.
Has been slain.
Oh,
An
not
enemy
anymore.
has been slain.
I'm gonna get turret.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
I'm going mid. Oh.
I'm dead.
There we go. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Turret's not dead yet, thank god. Oops. Vayne top rough, yeah. So we scale. Not that Vayne doesn't, but we scale. And we also. Fuck. Drag is up soon. God. Oh wow, he flashed too. Oh my god, what the fuck? Dude, ping my refillable potion. Are we FFing?
I voted yes. Up to you. Do whatever you want.
Oh. Seems like we're the... Is it? Is it winnable?
I don't know how we win.
Okay. Well, I'm down to go next too. Oh fuck! Wait, I said.
Maybe we might need you for Baron.
Okay.
Baron. Oh, they're not on Baron.
I can't believe I actually did that. What's wrong with my brain? I said I'm down to go next, and I clicked no. I was literally trying to click yes.
It's fine.
Oh,
See what happens 5 minutes.
okay. Oh my
Maybe
god.
they'll randomly throw or something.
I think I'm more like shocked that my brain did that. That's crazy. Maybe the mistaken. Yeah, maybe, man. Might need.
Kinda like the
Oh.
shitty runes.
Really?
If I wasn't paying attention, champs, look.
Happy belated, Cyrus. What did you do? I'm actually going crazy, bro. A happy sounding song. I would like to buy. Damn, they really be clearing this Baron vision, huh? They might be on it. I'm not sure. But they're all missing. Okay, they're not. Bless.
Surprised they're not doing it.
I don't know. I thought I was gonna get RC. I don't know what's good right now.
Rampage.
Razor, IE. Storm Razor. Like, am I supposed to go Razor and not Static Shiv first? Ah. Shit, did not know. The Razor. Better. Oh, six. Oops, nothing. Fuck.
Oh, this guy hurts.
I'm scared. That's over. Oh, the Ziggs, yeah. Okay, they're not up there or anything, or maybe they could be. They might be now.
They're gonna
See,
Baron.
yeah,
An enemy has been slain.
sure. Whoa. Oh yeah, they. Oh wow, they got it.
Enemy has destroyed.
Yakers.
An enemy is unstoppable.
So fun. I think we can. Oh, it's hard. Yeah, it's looking a little rough. Dragon's up soon too. Play as, really? I'm down. Oh, so good. Literally top tier consort of all time. Oh my god, that was soul for them too. Oh shit, there's a talent right here.
Yeah, so
Blitz, yeah.
game is just like the slowest, just
Like a
Lead.
slow, yeah.
An ally has been slain.
this guy beating me.
Ow.
Turret has been destroyed.
not a kill blind.
Hmm? What?
Nothing.
Let the FFO thing go through. I wish I knew Talon's gym routine. Yeah.
Held
Honestly, even if I
hostage.
knew it, I probably still wouldn't do it. That with every other gym routine I've seen. I see it on TikTok and I watch the whole thing sometimes and I don't fucking do it. You know, you watch the whole thing of someone teaching you to do something on TikTok and you just never apply it anyway. Hi Arky, hi Dini. Yeah. Toxic traits, just knowing that, watching the whole thing, knowing you're never gonna make use of it. Actually, that's not like a toxic trait, you just don't, you learn, just not through practice. Is there... What do... Alright. Not sure what to do here, guys.
There's nothing we can do.
Just hang out. Damn, he's really trying to 1v1 this, Bane.
That's good
Ooh.
versus their calm.
Yeah. Kinda is. Hey,
He's really
let's
behind.
get this. Wait, they're kind of throwing here or what? Oh my god, he's so... Waha! Talon's really good against me.
That guy's 4 items.
Yep. Oh, that's a long stun.
Almost moved.
Oh, hey, you got someone. Oh,
There's too much copium.
yeah. This is a rough one.
Fuck, that was definitely not a kill pick.
Triple kill. Aced.
That is very upsetty. Double ADC comps are so strong right now, really? Oh, I just never thought.
Yeah, you're against the Ubu's bot lane. Shit, that game was boring.
The Ooze won that time. Well, actually in lane we were fine. It was just Ziggs came a couple times, maybe.
Yeah.
Only negative 4 LP, let's go!
Our jungler actually played jungle? His pathing was so bad.
Zed as jungler? Or wait, what? Or...
Our Kha'Zix.
Oh.
This guy's pathing was so bad.
Oh, the lights on my back are called Govi. Govi? Yeah. They're really nice. And they're super easy to set up.
You got 3 camps.
Hmm? Oh, we got 3 camps. You're
You 3
looking at...
camp and then ganked mid, and it didn't do anything. And then Talon had 3 camps on him.
Hehe.
Talon was up 3 camps and killed him. And he got both crabs, and then he.
It's a pattern. Lose the first game, win everything after. I know. I feel like our first games are always just cursed. Always cursed. But that means we're winning this one.
I
I have a
gambled, he
Nami.
wouldn't die me on like this wave, but then like he was actually there full HP, even after getting a kill.
Yeah. I remember you saying that, how he just got a kill and his full HP. How's that possible?
He's a kill full HP, didn't recall, full clear from top side started, and then he's top side diving me. Like, that makes no sense. Because I didn't want a pot, I was saving my pot. But then like, he was actually there, so I just like, it's just fucked. Like the biggest, the worst death for me.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Trode. Oh well. I only had Rumble on this account. I wanted to play Rumble that game, but I didn't have Rumble.
Oh. Dude, I feel like I haven't seen your Rumble in forever.
Yeah.
Why do
Rumble, we 100% win that game. 1000% win that game.
I bet. I just,
My lane would be so easy.
I don't know
I
why.
could top jungle.
I literally only remember the last time feels like it was when it was Rumble support with me bot. That's just like all I remember as of late.
Yeah, I don't play Rumble much.
Yeah.
Past 2 years.
Maybe that was a very distinct memory of that. Okay, yeah. You know, I'm gonna go bathroom. I'll be back.
Yeah.
Just know it was bad. Just know, guys, it was bad.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift. Seconds until minions spawn.
Kind of full AD, actually. Just have Warwick. Yeah.
I was muted, huh? Lucian's pretty clean, but I've never seen you play him in solo queue. I've only played Lucian in like 8 ramps and stuff. I really like Lucian in like 2v2s or like when we did the 2v2v2v2 build and 8 ramps. I don't know, playing him in Summoner's Rift, I guess I just don't feel as confident, but I could totally. I don't know if I just like his... Maybe I just don't enjoy his kit as much. Not that it's bad. Actually, it is fun having a dash. But I don't know. I just never pick him.
Or top card red.
Oh my god, I thought I almost missed that fucking cannon. Oh my god. I whisked out. Oof. Stop pushing this too. Shit. Okay, we got it all. Let's go. One time. Yeah, it's close. They didn't blow heal though. Damn it. Double spicy in California. Let's go. Yeah.
First blood.
Yeah.
Hey. God. They're jungler. Warwick. Ward. Moses! Thank you so much for the 30 months. Welcome back. Thank you.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been
Worse.
slain.
Hmm? Oh, I see. Get him.
An ally has been slain.
300 HP dragon.
Ooh.
Good.
An enemy has been slain.
Okay. Alright. Like I want to finish that wave. I know, I got them so low, but I can no. Okay, but we're like really ahead. The farm is a lot of farm on them. Oh. Oh. What the? Oh shit. Ah, fuck, you hit me with that. Oh. I guess I shouldn't have eaten. Nice, so much damage. I inted my lane. You're so ahead. That's so much. Yeah, I'm Ronaldo ulti too. Well, redemption time. Try to. Ay. I think I don't know what to do there. Just paste or effect up more. Oh, splash. Oh. Here. Oh my god. Not low. Oh, it's fine. Warwick falls off. Ooh, Leah, thanks for the raid. Hope you had a good stream. I just streamed today.
At least they're full AD. Full AD, and then we got one Mountain Drake.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Just...
Bring his ult to spawn 38.
Ow. I want that plate. Damn it.
Turret plating will fall.
I'm going to be like geeking for your lane. I'm hungry now. But I'm not cooking for another like 2 hours. Nice.
Shut down.
I'm back. Gosh.
I just tanked a full Warwick and Fiora combo.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
And how did you live?
I just walked away.
Shit, you just walked away. He said he just walked away from the...
Warwick might be bot side soon.
Mm-hmm.
An ally has been slain.
Okay, well... I always get caught off guard by the explicit version. But it's still the only version I listen to, but... still throws me off. Oh, I'm sitting on so much gold. I need to buy.
Well, Warwick's dead for now, but
Yeah.
Oxon might roam bot right now.
Yeah. And the little... They're walking up. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, God, please. Oh, not the... Oh, thank God the ulti missed. I missed. Miss. What the fuck? Oh my God, we almost killed each other. We're at, like, no health. Worry here to get the turret. No worries, guys.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
The hit. Hit it.
Worse for
Oh,
the
the
meta,
ulti, yeah.
I took 2k damage from turret, 2.4k damage from turret.
Oh, jeez. Oh, I got the wrong item. Yeah, I thought it was like, I thought I sidestepped the Renato. Like, I thought I was just right out of it, but that still hit. The hitbox of that was not accurate to the little clouds floating towards me.
Yeah, their comp is not playable versus
Oh.
EZ for sure.
Yeah. Whoa.
I think you guys won that. Just kill Warwick.
Yeah.
I think you guys won that too. Or does Fiora have a amp scepter? Going bad, I guess.
Yours here. Fuck. I feel like our team is just better, yeah, against theirs. Oh God, what the fuck? What's that? Oh my God! What the fuck? He's here! Ah! Damn it.
Goner.
No, oh, we're both goners. No! I have an RE20. RE20.
Are sure our Eve is just 25 stacks. One-shotting everyone.
Mm-hmm.
I build this.
Yep. I have a kill. Oh, stop. Stop. Our turret! Hey. That's ours.
Air dragon, nice. Eve might have death cap.
Oh my God! What the fuck? A sphere too. Oh my God, please! Oh my God. Mercy. just came out from the shadows. Guess I'm trolling. Okay, I guess I should not be that far up without vision. Ooh. Hey. I feel a sense of safety because I'm inting. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Oh my god. Oh my god.
We should Baron.
Yeah. The thing guy here. Okay, noise. Okay. No kills. Sad.
It just looks unwinnable for them because they're full AD.
Yeah.
They have no healing reduction. I just like heal too much, I guess.
So easy for you to build.
If I can walk away level 6 or what was it, level 9 from a Warwick and Furor ulti, it's just doomed.
I'm not a wuss.
Full damage.
Full damage. Yeah.
I feel like it's very hard for them to get to you.
Yeah. Well,
you're
it hasn't been because I fucking just waltz right in the mid lane, like, and they just fucking... Warwick just pounces out of the shadows. Okay, my bad, I'm sorry I was that far up without vision. I learned my lesson.
Let it slip.
Damn you. What?
Yes, yoink!
Yeah, you literally just...
I was cooking that.
He's cooking that, he says. Like it's a fucking steak. Yeah, I was making that. You ate my steak.
You just stole it.
Yeah, I did. That's kind of messed up. I wanted to steal it. Oh
In the end,
my
it was worth helping
god.
this Eve.
Yeah. What, were you not going to?
Oh no, I like lost some EXP just so he wouldn't Warwick wouldn't kill his red.
And it was worth it.
And like he ended up getting like 2 waves on
On you?
full jungle camp and like a wave of creeps.
Yeah.
And all I have to do was just not grief my lane.
Oh, okay. Do anything?
My wave was still fine, I just played his lane.
Oh my goodness.
But also, I was down like half a level from helping.
Thank god it worked out.
Yep. forgot how I came back.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess it's because I was renekton. I'm still strong as fuck.
Is Renekton just still? Oh my god, isn't
Renekton is just nuts.
that good
The
right
only
now?
annoying thing, if he's nuts against like any melee champs. The only thing people can do is like play like range champs like.
I remember that. I feel like Renekton
Gnar,
wins a lot
Quinn.
of matchups top.
Yeah, I think he wins all
Yeah.
melee matchups.
Pretty aggro. The curse! It's our curse of losing the first game, and then we win every game after that.
True. Wait, oh shit, can you decline that?
Oh shit, I already accepted.
That's whatever.
Maybe I'll decline. Oh. What do you need?
I'm gonna see if I can open some stuff and sell it and try to get enough money for Rumble.
Oh.
Do some
Let's
hex
play
tech
Rumble.
crafting. Yeah, because it's a new Rumble. Or like they changed them, but I only tried it once.
Ah.
And apparently Rumble is in a way better state top lane now. Like people are playing him in pro play.
He's back.
So that means he's good.
Yeah.
For once.
For once.
Yeah, because he hasn't been good top lane in like years.
Yeah, I feel like I
decent
haven't seen a
solo
Rumble
queue,
in
but then-
forever.
It's like decent in solo queue, but then you go against like Irelia, Renekton. Irelia with one item just hits on Rumble.
It's just not it.
No matter, she can be 05 and just kill Rumble.
What's it? Snacky on some things. I'm hungry. I didn't make food yet. April all day, every day. What the Yumi? Oh, thanks for game, Nami. It was fun. You did it. I'm sorry I entered hella times. All right, BRB. Stop here. I found Sanakis. Let's go.
There?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello. What up? Hello.
We're like,
Huh?
we're like picking our comps, and I last picked Nasus, and this guy's like, yes, Nasus looks really good here.
Really?
Like sarcastic.
Oh. Oh, I thought you liked Nasus too. Wait. Wait, this guy's upset. Wait, Nasus is great. Melchior, thank you so much for the 2 months. Welcome back. Thank you. Ooh, hi, Captain Room.
I'm just playing Nasus.
Welcome back. It's been a hot minute. I know. Just let you live your life. I have to frosted more for some reason. It's just clean skin. Plus, a lot of people in Korea use that skin, like Deft in them. hides player names but doesn't work anyways. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, you're in game is the same shit. You just hide it in champ select.
I have a stack.
Nice, let's go. We take those. I just feel like hiding names in champ select is such like a... It's like a pro and con thing. It doesn't feel like it makes it better or worse. I don't know. It kind of doesn't make a difference, it feels. As a pro, you get to look up your team.
How can I talk to him? He muted himself.
You
He's
can't.
pinging our base.
Oh?
Are you guys AFK? It's because of the...
What? Oh shit, I did not know it started. Wait, who DC'd?
No one, it's because you guys sat in Tribrush, I think.
What the? That is a weird... Bro, he keeps pinging it.
I don't know, might as well mute him.
Yeah. What is this? Oh. Ah. Shit. I'm sorry. Don't know what happened there. Oh my god. What an awful. Uh-oh. Well. Would you rather starve for a week or not drink anything for 2 days? Can I drink while I starve? It's a rough start.
Really is.
Yeah. Bruce, thank you for the 7 months. Welcome back. Thank you. I didn't have to die as well, but
2 groups?
not sure why. Me wasn't attached initially, so that... Especially when they're about to hit 2. Or alley to like splash headbutt.
An ally has been slain.
Alright, it's all up to you. You're the one person on our team who hasn't died yet. Yeah, is he? Good Alistars are great.
Executed.
Shit. Grief. Minions. Oh wow, chill. Yeah. Oh my god. It's a farm lane. Oh. Dead.
Dominating.
Well. A little rough. Oh wow. Oh, what the? You jumped in?
I'm now dead.
Oh, you too. Okay, join the club. kind of fed. Oh, fuck. Oh, 1K!
Okay.
So worth.
We're on the board.
On the board, dude. Our first kill. Let's go. That was great. Oh god.
Has been slain.
Oh wow. Oh my god, he's so low. Oh my god! Nico! That was great. Unfortunately, Yumi pushed my wave, so my wave is fucked right now. Oh wait, great. Just Triss pushes, let's go.
An ally has been
TikTok for Somi? Just a TikTok for her? Probably not.
shut down.
Somi doesn't do anything. She sleeps all day. Well, actually she has her zoomies. She could be TikTok cat Nimbus, really?
An ally has
And
been
she?
slain.
This Yumi makes me nervous. Oh god, he's so strong. Two autos. Ooh, I love Steam Deck. This one my mom would make it. I haven't had it in so long.
Poor Death. He complains about Nasus when like
Not anymore.
game's already over or
Enemy has been
I think
slain.
hasn't even done anything.
Yeah.
An ally has been slain.
My prime. How long ago was that? Oh, shit. God, please.
Slain.
Hate him.
An enemy has been slain.
I know. Oh, nice. You got him. It hurts, bro. Oh! Is it winnable? Oh, shit. Oh, go through the wall! How OP is Kane? Broken champ. Oh my god.
Ally has been slain. Enemy
What the fuck? What the fuck? You can do that? How OP is Yi, bro? What? That is the dumbest shit I've ever seen in my whole entire life. And I've seen a lot of dumb shit. That's crazy. That's actually insane. How suffering.
An enemy has been slain.
minion, bro. Okay. Hey. Ouch.
Turret has been destroyed.
Okay, not sure how this is gonna go. It's not looking like it's gonna go great, but yep.
Turret plating will fall soon. An ally has been slain.
I should have stayed to get that plate. Ooh. Yeah.
Killing spree.
Holy shit.
Oh, what now? That's so worth. I'll die every time for that. Say your weekend chat proceeds to play weak side. I mean, I don't know. I didn't have to die a lot of my deaths, I'll be honest. I was inting.
Enemy killing spree.
Although Yumi inted first, but it's about not chain inting. I didn't after that. But it's just gonna be that much more epic when we win.
Overextended.
That's relatable. I also.
Where's like the missing ping from my Miller?
Yeah, it would be like that.
An ally has been
Wow.
slain. Enemy double kill.
Oh, we got a double like
Enemy
that.
has been slain.
Oh, but the Yumi got him. It's the silver lining.
I'm very strong compared to their top laner, but
Hmm? Oh, Jesus. A cat.
it's 15 minutes and there's 34 kills. What's just happening?
Like literally 2 kills every. More than 2 kills every. Jeez.
Should we get out?
I don't know. Up to you. I'm down to play whatever. Very core Ezreal has nice feet. What? How do you stay so positive playing League? Am I? Do you guys think I'm a positive player? I guess I'm 1-8 and I'm not rage quitting, I guess. I don't know if that counts. I don't know. I think cause like I see how much I grief too. Fine. And even if I don't, happens. Like
Well, might be able to win if we start surviving.
you're gonna have games that you do better and worse in.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Ooh, hell yeah, money. Yeah.
Slain.
I mean, oops, they're gonna get this. A lifeling lead. Talks too much.
An ally has been slain.
Whoa, but Yumi got him. Damn. Baby Chad.
An ally has been slain.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh my god, wait. She's fucking smurfing. Yuko is the best player in the world. What the? Wait, he's so tanky. Oh, I fucked that up. So sorry.
Oh, come back to you.
Gee.
I'm on the way.
Oh, it's terrible. The flash. I'd say his flash is more worth than my flash. Dude, that guy is so... I kept thinking he's... Damn, the Alistair. Okay. Magic. Gallifrey, thank you for the 4 months. Welcome back. Thank you.
I'm gone.
Just really not playing well this game. But it's like that. Aww. Thanks. It's okay. One of those games that it happens. Ooh. Shut down.
Fuck.
An ally has been slain.
What?
That split makes you untargetable to turret?
An ally
Broken.
has been slain.
Alright, looks like a next.
Yeah. AFF. Or we get this sick snipe.
Be over.
Is it?
Reward.
Nope. Oh, that was a good effort. Oh, I thought I muted this guy. I didn't. No, I thought so too, honestly.
Oh, I'm pretty farmed.
Yeah. Honestly, Nico had a pretty sick play earlier. Twice.
Killing spree.
Oh. Well. I would like my second item. Is that possible? Ay. Hi, Ray. Okay, I just need like 100 gold. Got it.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Oh. That fucking hurt.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Wow, dude, that was half my HP.
Farming up a storm.
Yeah. Nice. Oh my god. Where the fuck do we go? Oh, nice, you're done.
I'm on the way.
Yeah, please. SOS.
Look for it.
Hit this guy. Okay. Wrist. Oh.
I'm dead.
You're dead. Just good effort.
What? They ended?
I guess so. No. That was I'm just gonna pretend that game never happened. That game never existed in my books.
My bad for picking Nasus.
You're down?
Huh?
You're gonna pick Nasus again, you said?
Oh no, I said my bad for picking
Oh,
Nasus.
oh, I don't think Nasus was the problem.
Oh no, it was just I was saying about the Cade, like
Oh yeah, he was raging. Yeah. It felt like we
top
lost
lane
our
didn't
chance.
even do anything like to anyone else.
Mm-hmm. I feel like I must have. I don't know actually. I don't know if I've ever seen Bald's Tail either.
Jacked. I died once.
Yeah, I believe
it. Didn't matter.
Mm-hmm. Stay hydrated, Yvonne? Alright. My energy drink.
I mean, before my first death, it was already 10 deaths in the game, so I don't know if that mattered.
Yeah. It's not you. So Yumi just died level 2. And then I also entered after him. Or her.
I was
Yeah.
like, Renekton or Nasus? Oh shit, I chose the wrong character.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Nasus kind of sucks versus Yi.
Oh.
My Wither
sense,
just doesn't work versus
yeah.
Yi. But
Dude.
like, it's whatever.
What a crazy, insane, broken ass champ.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
So you should have seen what happened. He got away scot-free. He got away with murder. He should have died.
No. I was actually so farmed.
That's not Starbucks. Nope, it's not. Okay, I shouldn't keep eating these. They're actually making me thirstier. Bye. Gambas today? What Gambas day? Back. On the games? Oh, if you guys want predictions, yeah. We totally can. Whatever you guys would like. Whatever you'd like. How's what possible? Yeah, I'm confused too. What is he saying? We're in your walls? What? Dude, it's scaring me. Why is he saying they're in your walls? Oh.
Then we get the middle jungle. Let's go.
Oh, I guess so. It's kind of scary.
It's like we had a fiddle one trick
I guess so.
and Belvis.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't care. I'm playing.
Yeah, I have the AC going, but it's still like I got the attached one. Yeah, that was it. That's all I got. The best matcha latte I've ever had came from a Starbucks at Incheon International Airport, by the way, Yvonne. Yes. In Korea and Japan, like their matcha is just god tier. I don't know what, like it's just so much better. It's really, really good. Oh, Fiddle got banned. That's why whenever I go to Asia, I don't know, I just love getting their matcha lattes there. Yeah, thanks, Barbecue. You remembered. Maybe because I was complaining about it a lot. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah, our team is beefy. I love these jellos. They're so good. I wonder how bad they are for you.
Alright, you're our AP.
Hell yeah, I am. Alright, yeah, I guess I'm going more AP.
You go the static into
Nashers. Then either Guinsus or
Guinsos,
Ludens.
yeah. I think you go static, Nashers, Guinsos.
Okay.
What?
What the?
That game was free.
Yeah, I want to play that game. Did he dodge because Fiddle got banned? I hope not. No.
I played the kill into Nasus match so many times. I want to do it the Nasus side.
Oh.
I feel like I just get 6, and if I'm even with him, I just run him down.
Yeah, yeah.
Because that's happened to me like so many times.
You want to be the opposite. Manasy, thanks! That is so nice. I love that. Sometimes I just hope they're not too boring. Hey, Gems, thank you so much for the 27 months. Welcome back. Thank you.
Like they dodged.
Yeah, I feel like our team seemed chill. I've seen Across the Spider-Verse, yeah. Well, I fell asleep for a little portion of it, but I did see it. It was not bad. It's a night. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Keep forgetting to buy Rumble.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, we're gonna try to remember for you guys. Remind when we're out of here to remind Balls to buy Rumble. I just keep forgetting to. Ay. I keep forgetting. Buy Rumble. Loaded. Ash. No, I want to play Kaisa. I just want to play Kaisa once, man. Yeah, I want to play Kaisa.
Why didn't you? Kaiser roll? It's pretty good.
Yeah, because the support banned her. That's why I picked Kaisa last game. Yeah, I was so excited. I was like, yeah. I don't know.
Why would he ban Kaiser?
I haven't played against the new champ. Nope. Everyone either bans her or just doesn't, or bans them or doesn't pick them. Tips for new league players: you just have to spam the shit out of the game and learn what every champ plays or does. Like a lot of ARAMs and stuff would help. Oh yeah, she's so much fun. I love her.
I'm missing Rumble and Aatrox. You know, Rumble and Aatrox. There's a Lowy.
Lowy.
Oh, Gath.
Oh shoot. Wow, what a good cleanse game, holy shit. Actually, let me go longsword. Your rel is giga busted. Yeah, this is a really game for that. Oh, are we invading?
30 seconds until minions spawn.
Oh, what the? We run straight in like that. Oh my god, what's happening here? Wait, get the ash. Oh. Please get her.
Oh, the resets.
Oh! Oh! Insane. We're so good.
Oh, we got 3 kills. Holy shit.
Oh yeah. It was... Yeah, I know. I don't remember sums there. Dumbledore? What's that? Oh, nice. Dumbledore over? I mean, trying to make it happen. Ash flashed? Oh. God. Farm, bruh. Ugh. Okay. Scared I wasn't gonna get that. Jungler, what? Oh, you're playing Fiora.
Wait, this guy's just dead.
Oh my god, the double kill top? And the 2v1.
They were healed really well.
Oh fuck. By the hair. My chinny chin chin. Okay, I think they base.
Shut down.
Oh, that hurts so bad. I am so sad. Wow. Oh, what a tragedy. Oh my god, dude. It's so bad. Oh, the misery. Actual misery. So painful, bro. Thanks, man. Ooh, that's a nice skin.
Ally has been slain.
Very core. Wow, that's chroma or something? Makes it really pretty. Wow, look at that shield.
Killing spree. Enemy killing spree.
Oh my god. Run on a spree. Yeah, it's Ezreal. This is Ezreal. Ow. Not the Ashe ulti. Oh, fat. That hit on that one. Ow. Oh, Ashe flash. Two flashes. Ooh. Okay. I got hit by the Ashe arrow. Nice. Took the hit.
Zero's dying.
Yep. Is Zereth okay? I might die here too. Ooh. JK. Oh, guess what? Oh shit. No mana. Oh. Oh my god! No! Not even close. Oh, sorry, Zereth. You might be dead. Oh. Oh. I die here? Missed. What the?
An enemy has been slain.
I don't want to talk about it, man. I really don't. I mean, I don't think he dodged. I think I missed. It was like a pixel off. 2, 3 maybe. Shit. Oh no, I'm so bad. Dancer's immune to solar beam, really? Bet you're having a blast up there, huh?
Farming.
Yep. Sounds fun. Shit. Yeah, I feel like you always max Q on Israel. Time you don't. APs maybe not. But if you're talking about ADs.
She's still
My
rolling.
cleanse. What's up, Murray? I've been okay. What did I say? Angelina, thank you so much for the 6 months. Welcome back. Thank you. I can't. My brain is like so off. I'm sorry. As you can tell. Ow, that actually hurt.
Enemy rampage.
Ow. Crit.
Turret plating will soon fall.
I'm gonna be the best. This is it. Oh. Oh my god, my Q.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Full forced. Oh my god, I have so many assists. Vayne goes crazy. Yeah, that Vayne's kind of crazy. Almost as if it's not Vayne. That's how insane it is. Yep, yep. I know. It's a hard game. You gotta use your brains and your mechanics. Oh. Damn. Oh shit. Is this a chroma of the Star Guardian skin?
Shut down.
Oh, Drake is up soon. He went support. Ow. It hurts. Oh, oh nice.
Oh, Ramus,
Oh,
no ghost.
yeah.
Oh, that's an RET.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, Cho'Gath.
that's double.
Oh my god, you missed the charm too. Or the charm. Guess I would have died anyways, even if you did charm. Oh, fuck. Double TP. Yeah, that was kind of nuts.
Shut down. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your turret has been destroyed.
You keep her there, I can recall on TP bot.
Okay. I'm chilling. Oh yeah, I think this is our fourth game, yeah.
Only if he pushes up, but I don't think
Yeah. I don't think she is. She's in river. Mm. Oh gosh. Ah. Oh, don't slow me. Ow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, Nash.
Ghost? Kind of OP, I guess. Damn, that guy went through.
Not even sure what happened. Did they just get... Where did they get kills from? Like, do we have skirmishes in the jungle? Oh my god, please, not this guy. Oh. Oh my god. Gosh. Oh, I got him. Let's go. My first kill. It's a snipe. Oh, huge. Oh my god, thank god he didn't.
We got it.
Holy shit. Oh my god, no shot. Wow, none of us. Oh, that's crazy.
That's probably the best
That was actually the best thing that could have happened.
Holy fuck.
Literally, nothing beats that. God, no. Suffering.
Spam your Q on the buff.
Why does the healing plants look like a fucking... Oh god, Arella's on the wrong side of things. Oh. Oh, unless... Oh my god. Yikers. There's someone here. Thought I saw someone there. Our base.
It's fine, we have Baron recall.
Yeah.
Oh, you win. Careful, Ari.
Oh my god, I'm so bad. Sorry. 1,000 damage. Oh my god.
It's probably worth more to kill the Ari than the Emilio.
Oh yeah.
At least we want dragon. I can't believe. I guess Ash was on me this whole time. Get W'd.
Oh no, it's a red buff, I think. The burn?
Like, I think our front to back should win. I can just ulti the front line.
Mm-hmm.
They're on dragon.
Yeah, hi Baron. Okay. Oh my god, it's crazy here.
God.
Oh my god, not this R.
Oh, if you guys kite, you win.
Oh! No! Ah, please! Oh my god! No! Not the Revis! What the? Oh my god, that Tom is so far! Oh my god, this Xerath is the best player in the whole world.
Build is so bad right now. Fuck.
That was crazy.
Your inhibitor is respawning soon.
Yeah,
Your turret has been
this is how it is.
A summoner has disconnected.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no. Not like this. Not like this. Need him. Dude, we've like fought, died, a billion times around this dragon.
We're getting arrowed.
Oh my god. Oh shoot.
It's just dead. Doing, man.
Got it.
We're gonna get the inhib. I don't know if they're gonna try and end.
Hmm.
You guys can wait for it, right? Clear the creeps.
I think so. Whoa, bug? Hello? God, my screen.
Oh.
Oh my god, not good. Jesus. Oh, he's back. Oh shit. We don't hear them? Oh my god.
And we're gone.
Damn. Oh, it's sad. Well, was an effort.
Oh, I wanted to build this split push, but then we started just team fighting permanently.
Mm-hmm. It was like dragon, die, constantly.
I built no armor. This Ashe just kills me 100 to 0.
Yeah. A lot.
I didn't realize she was like mega fitted.
Mm-hmm. Damn.
Yeah, fuck.
Oh. You want to play one more, or are you done?
You play one more.
Okay. A little
I like-
LG.
Fuck, I should have just went Death Dance, I guess.
Yeah. All good. We'll try to win this one. Comfort picks. They're all like. It's mostly Kaisa, Kate, Ezreal, Senna. MF is fine. I just don't like playing MF. Akali, I really like. I wouldn't say she's a comfort pick though, because I'm not very confident with her. Yeah, I like Nasus though.
That ghost on Ashe is just so good.
Yeah, she did so much damage. It hurt. I am not good on Akali, no. I know. I thought we could win too. It's okay. I like Aurelia too. My Ori is aight. Not really. I don't play mid that much, but back then when I used to, I played a lot of Oria. I have not tried Gwen actually. I might have played Gwen only in ARAM like once. Oh, I did play Ziggs bot for a bit, but that didn't feel like it required a lot of.
Oh, why Rel just
Like I
got
just
so
toss
close to
spells out
us
there.
and
And
thought process. Holy shit.
what happened?
Are Ye's disconnected? Are Rel's just like in front of their face?
Mm-hmm. Yee.
Like I wanted to go Hull Breaker. Fuck.
Oh. Senna is really good. Yeah, I like Senna a lot. I haven't played it in a while. Oh, I do want to play Senna actually. But it's just hard to play Senna. Like, how is she right now? It's hard to play Senna in solo queue because I want to play fasting Senna. Well, is fasting Senna still better? Oh my god, it's the first time I've seen this new champ. I have not played that much Samira, no.
God, I forgot to buy again.
Caitlyn. Oh my god, I keep forgetting to tell you. Damn it. Oh, Samira is really fun. I just don't trust myself on her. Bye, Rumble. Yeah? Thank you for that now. My favorite champ? I actually don't know. Dude, why is Kaisa banned every single game? I just want to play her.
Pretty OP.
Damn it.
She's probably the best solo queue ADC, maybe.
Yeah, but
Fourth best.
Mira? Oh, Samira. No, I will typically not pick Samira in solo queue. I don't think I'm good on her at all. Don't play her well enough at all. Pursue, what is it? I hate it here. You know what? Maybe you'll help me win. I haven't been winning on Explorer anyways. Wait, how can I get it? Okay. That took so long to scroll through. Holy shit. Ezreal has so many skins. What the fuck? I knew that, but I still didn't expect it to be so long. I was right next to it. Out. You're telling me I scrolled through all of it? Okay, I think our Caitlyn was born on May 31st, 1997. I don't know what's telling me that, but I'm just gonna take a stab at. Like a wild guess. Just like Lux and MF, yep. Billion skins. Oh my god, the Nasus. Hey, we got 2 dogs.
Yeah.
We got 2 dogs and a horse.
30 seconds until minions spawn.
Bye, Crypto. Have fun at work. Oh, or have fun getting home. Wins with X. If we actually win with Explorers and not the other ones, I will. It's a tragedy. What's the dog doing? I've never seen this guy in action. What does he do? How does he wait? Wait, this is just like wolves.
You just built tab ice.
Wait, they literally just took our wolves camp and made it a champion? What?
I guess.
Why does he have 2 little minions next to him? Ah, thanks, Analog. He's
Is it a he? I thought it was a she.
Oh, she? I have no idea. I don't know. She's Giga Broken. Assassin based?
Alright.
You know what she does? Oh, fuck.
She fucking dashes and shit. I don't know.
Gases or dances?
Which one do you think I said?
Wait, what? I don't know. She dances? Ah!
She dashes at them.
Oh, dashes. I don't know how I got the other things before I got dashes. That was a lame cheese. Heal and cleanse. Griefing. Oh my god. Actually griefing. Okay. A flash, but
First blood.
might step on another trap and just die. I just went walking in that.
Oh my god, Nass is broken.
Hell yeah, you. Oh, I thought you got first blood when you said that. But you didn't. That kind of baiting. God, a pot, a little cookie. Sustain another day on this island.
I'm squishing.
Huh? Yeah, I think not bad. Armed an okay amount. Alright.
Their jungler graves.
I do need a base card here. Alright. I'm gonna see what this guy does mid. Oh my god, what is that? What the heck is that? What the?
Has been slain.
Huh? I'm so confused what I just watched. Yeah, that's frightening. What? Yeah, just drive safe. Drive safe. I actually got that dog in him. You weren't kidding. Or in her. Oh god. Oh god, it's bad. Okay, I'll get the ward. Nice. Jesus. Yep, TF6. Calling it. Oh, the camping video? Yeah, that's a nice one. Did like that one.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
I think this
Okay.
game's over.
We're jinxing it. Let's go.
Let's go. I
Let's
don't
go.
even care because I'm Nasus.
True.
I'm Q farming.
Stack them. Do the stackies.
I am stacking.
Hey.
He's very sad.
No, stop coming.
Oh?
Nice. Out of here.
Oh, 1K
Base actually. All sacks. What?
What sums do they have?
What? I don't recall. Not ball stacks. I mean, not ball sacks, not ball stacks. Huh? That's what I'm saying. You guys are making me get mixed up now. I was right.
Don't worry, I'm farming for late.
Yeah. Me too. Shit. Currently not. Oh, they base.
Our Yi has a blade. Oh, yeah.
So, this new champ broken or what?
I don't know, but she is pretty strong. She must be disabled in pro player.
Maybe. I just see people either most of the time ban her.
See Graves.
Oh. walk into that. Dude. Tired of this.
Rampage.
Might be just destroys the back line. Are you using?
Yes.
Rampage.
I'm not sure why we didn't push the minions in. Oof. Give Cat or Kate a shutdown.
Shut down.
And they're all getting shutdowns. Oh my god. Okay, I didn't put that. What the fuck is in there? Crazy. Oh no. Oh. 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 Unfortunate. Just cause. Okay, Lulu flush.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Turret plating will fall soon.
I'm gonna go top.
Oh shit. Okay.
Because every time you base just the count the lanes are gone.
Yeah. I'm autopiloted. Okay.
Gets rips up in a minute.
I don't know. This Caitlyn's going lethality though.
He's really weak.
Okay. Well, I might be too.
Throw, you guys should be stronger. Oh, that's great.
An enemy has been slain.
Yeah. Oh. Fuck. Whoa. Oh, please. Yee! What the? Okay, I could have just eat out of there, but yeah, that too. I'm tired of it. I can't play today.
Your turret has
First day back on the job. Not too hot. Ooh, mid. I think, yeah, Rel. A cute name, Derpy Kiddo Kibbles.
He almost 1v2. TP.
Oh god. Get me. Ah! Stop! Stop it! Oh, thank god. God.
Oh, he's coming.
Yeah.
Yvonnie's dead.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Enemy killing spree.
Alright, I'm here.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Moral support. Oh, looks like you're having fun.
Yep.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Hi, Larry. It's almost dinner time for me too. I gotta cook soon. What's happening here? Midden. Cool. Oh. Okay, you flashed. Oh. Our mid lane. Oh. Dead. Yeah. Steak. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay.
Your turret has been destroyed.
I'm an inter. Oh, TP. He just like stopped. Oh? Oh my god. Oh, whoa, Rel? That was a little crazy.
It is unstoppable.
That Rel just ran in. Iron Fingers, thanks for the 29 months. Welcome back, thank you. Need like 100 gold.
Just dead. Just gonna TP on you.
Yeah, I'm scared. Alright, I can buy. The king. Bye, Keone, have fun. Yee, Keone, thanks for the 5 gifties. If you guys got subbies from Keone, please thank him. Thanks, Keone. Have fun at work. Oh.
An enemy has been slain.
Stuff. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh. Ow. Ow. We're just...
Ally has been slain.
It's following me! Ow! Get me out! I hate it here.
Have been slain.
I'm just inting. Constantly. Damn. Not a good league day for me.
Okay.
I've been inter. Bad. This is how it be. Okay, just a bad day of games. No, but I'm opposite popping off today. Oh, shit.
Enemy double kill.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Did not give a fuck about me.
They're all 1 HP.
Yeah, they're so low. Well, at least...
This game could be easy
Mm-hmm. But...
if we played properly.
yeah.
I don't know why you just never wanted to do Baron. In a row. Ifari is kind of inting her lead.
Something too.
All we have to do is just go Baron when they send 3 bot.
Yeah.
If Yone has no flash, I'm probably just gonna kill him next time.
Hmm. Oh,
What is
okay.
this?
They're running away. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, just got popped. Yep. There.
Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
Oh. Scared now.
Back off. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Happening. Typical league stuff, yeah. Trying to not int more than I already have.
Maybe if I come with you guys? Chilling?
Yeah. At least I didn't do Baron. Shout out Mr. Robinson. What up, Mr. Robinson? Thanks, double. Very nice. Whoa. Like, how does that work? How did he still get him? So confused. Oh. Oh my god, I tried to... Oh, his Q burns. They have to go for... Oh, Yone's going, I guess. Oh. Oh my god, one auto, bro. So it's easy. I'm just fodder. I was there to take one auto blasted. It hurts. Gotta go top. Dragon's up and it's their soul.
Killed him.
Fuck.
What's wrong with this guy?
Oh god. Oh no. I got it. Do I have time to get this sorted? Let it run out. Oh, I got it. Excellent. What the fuck? Oh my god! What? Wait, that's crazy. Kate Yomu's autoed me once and it did like...
That's probably a headshot auto.
That was crazy.
Headshot auto crit, maybe.
I've never seen that. You mean like a truck just tick. That's actually so... Whoa. Move flash. Gotta get that Caitlyn. Friends. Wow, did not matter.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
Completely outplayed. That's what's like being an AD carry. That's insane. What the fuck was that? I've just never seen that.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Is that a normal thing now? Like, what the hell was that? Okay, can I help you? I'm sending an ulti up there. Oh, what is that? Oh my god, I almost got him. Fuck. What pulls him? Is that a new item? Why did he look?
A Baron. Oh, it's Duskblade. It's Duskblade.
Oh, Duskblade.
Fuck, I entered. You guys can stop for 35 seconds, but they're probably just gonna run at you guys.
Yeah.
TF? TF's alone.
Oh.
Guy. Nice. And
Has been slain.
oh, alone. Oh, Rail's OP.
Oh my god, thank god.
Oh, they threw. Oh, he's killing him off.
Oh, nice. They did.
I guess we can end.
Wow. They actually just threw right there. Oh my god, that dog can tank it.
Has destroyed a turret.
Big please, yeah. Nice, I went through this whole game without getting synced. We look like the most inting bot lane ever. We're both 0-7. How is this possible? Hey, can someone spawn so I can get one kill? Oh my god, the TF. Please. Guys, let's work together. Alright, I need this one kill so I don't end a loser. No, the loser!
Oh my god, 1k kill?
You know, I did
God, I thought I threw. Holy fuck, that guy is so tanky versus me.
Yeah, I thought I threw too.
It's okay.
You know,
It's hard. It's hard if you autopilot wrist TF. You can't autopilot wrist TF.
yeah.
You have to think about his ulti.
Thinking sounds like a lot.
Or like pinging.
Yeah. I'll just say that. Yeah, I think definitely carried that game. I absorbed so much pressure, so many TF ultis.
It's such a weird game. Our Nefari, I'm pretty sure our mid laner like just kept running it down.
Oh.
I
Yeah.
feel like if I just went bot and they send 3 versus me, like we just win. But Nefari, like first enemy she sees, pops her ulti dash
Yep.
or something. I don't know.
Kind of crazy for that. Well,
But I guess we won.
we did. That was it. That was it.
Got my Nasus win.
Yeah. Well, that Caitlyn just came, autoed me once, took all my health. Just
Yeah. I mean, she is full build with
yeah. That
Storm
was
Repent items, a headshot crit,
that
with
was
Storm Razor on.
crazy. I've just never seen that.
and you're like 2 items.
Yeah. Okay.
But I'm just saying, like your HP, she probably did like
She did everything with that one headshot.
yeah.
Yeah. It was like
Oh, she also has first strike. I don't know if that procs the first hit.
I don't know, but I was left with like 20 HP or something.
Yeah. She was probably shielded with Lulu.
Hmm.
So like that, everything combined.
Yep, she had popped
Which-
Yomu's.
She
Fucking
has that,
sprinted
Absolute
towards
Focus,
me.
Gathering Storm maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No
like-
chance.
Kinda make sense.
No chance.
She does damage. And then they lost.
Yep.
GG's.
GG's.
Thanks for playing. See ya.
Bye. Ooh. Okay. Sorry, totally forgot for a second that I was still streaming. For whatever reason, I don't know. But I am here now. I'm gonna go off now, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh god. I gotta go make a steaky. Alright. Goodbye! I'm sorry. I totally like blank. I told you like my brain is just like not working lately. I'm so sorry. Okay, bye guys. Have a good rest of your night. Thanks for watching. Good night, good night.